Ba, ilang ang record screen microphone. Kasi microphone na kung on ang
Hindi daw pa. Padong ka daw ko. Kanay mo screen record.
lapagani.
Padong ka daw ni Papa. Nukit mo ka sa background nga. Oh
Hello.
no, yes. For the go. Ano ka? Vlog, vlogger.
English.
Nga. Hi guys. Can you see the mine? Ano ka? Look what I found. It's a bomb. Ano ka? It's a dynamite. It's a bomb. Oh my god. Yeah, bro. Ano ka? What's up, bro?
This is the Doritos. Collect some Doritos. There's to collect some
Follow
Doritos,
me.
guys.
Subscribe for more videos. Ayun ka.
This is the Siren Head. It's a Coca-Cola.
Sandal. Ano? Di ka parta dahil tana. Ay, naku. Hindi mo trabaho ni mo.
What's that?
Adlaw mo sa cellphone mo. Trabaho ni mo.
Wait.
Ang mga kaon na kay Daribi. Na maka-payout ka.
We're trapped. We're trapped. Where's the tree head? Oh my god. That's the tree head. Oh my god. This is the tree head of the creatures, guys. Look. See?
Ikaw na ko kaya ako i-upload.
Let me open this elevator. Then I will go.
I-upload sa akin pa.
It's coming or not? It's coming? Hey, Bacon, it's coming? No. I need to eat Doritos. He didn't catch me. No. Wait. Bro. Huh? I'm on the top. I fall again. I'm in the elevator. Why don't we? You got a number 1. You fall, Bacon fall. And there's a pet. His pet. Oh, his pet is Carabao. Ghost pig. Let me inside. Oh my god. What? This is fun. Yes. Where did I? Okay. This is the candy. Or maybe. What's this? Epic snack. That snack is Doritos. Okay. This area is it. Then. Now Siren had a morph. Yes. This is the morph one. Only 2. Wait. I'm nothing. I cannot morph. Yummy. This is the epic. This is the epic things you can buy. I ate the monster. No. Oh, come on, man. We fall. Please open. Hallway worm. Oh my god, it's a creepy one. I want to eat this epic snack, but my my candy is gone, guys. Okay. That's so weird.
Ha?
No. Highway worm is so
Ingana ba
creepy.
si Chris Aquino? Pero si Chris Aquino karon kay sige ra gyapon kuan, patambal.
No, not kill
Ingana
me.
tingali ng kuano, kana bang mga
Free
sabay ipagkuan
headless.
nimo nga tong kuan ka kanang like mga
Free
pagbuta,
headless,
ano ba
guys.
no?
You see my
Matulog-tulog,
face
kay
is
palay-kulay
nothing.
po.
Wait, my face is gone. Let me see.
Sarapod sa tanan.
Let me see my face inside. It's not yourself.
Kahit na agani sakit pero iya ang
You
sakit kay
die.
rare. Like kanang kung ano gud siya murag kuan
Okay,
na
guys,
million
let's
ingana
play
ba
something.
kuan na mo pila lang ka kanang ingana may sakit. Pa may gani natungnan pud nga dato pud siya. Hindi. Adto gid sa gawas magkuan pa treatment.
Whoops, one ray. Oh.
Ay kans ba pag orange yan? Ton.
Nami mana.
Hmm.
Katida ko na nasa yellow na apple ma.
Ha?
Nasa one new.
Sino yung apple?
Yellow apple ba? Katong kwan ba? Apple na yellow. New na po siya.
Asa man?
Nasa kuan. Sa Plaza. Sa Plaza.
Ba naman to siya yellow nga apple.
Yellow apple ba? Kanang na ay.
Di man to apple, pear man to pears. Pear. Aga to bang pear?
Pas kay si Papa oh.
Kato bang
Two
gusto na
times.
pear? Oh, pear ba na siya? Pear ba nga? Pikuan. Sa prutas.
Apple man na.
Nabili mo siya kay mura ra pud siya apple.
Budi man.
Pear siya.
There he is. Click the
On a pear
sword.
tree. Ano ba? Kato bang kanta
Wait, I already killed but I'm still alive.
On a pear tree.
Click that thing. Click the like button.
Ha?
And watch some more murder mystery.
And a pear.
What the?
And a partridge in a pear tree. Oh, ano ba? Ano second day of
What the? Why is she look like? Oh, normal. I pick it up. It's still normal. Oops.
Mo ba ni pear?
What's a pear tree? Kanang murag apple? Waterberries. You're right, red. Ring the bells, then play. Waterberries Prison Run Abbey. By Pixel Obbies. Water is those like tsunami. Tsunami. What? So guys, we're in Berry's prison. There's so many people die. Look. See, did you hear that? There's one. Oh. I can subscribe for more Bears Prison 1. Whoa! Oh my god! 31. Oh my God.
Ha?
Wow.
Dayon?
This is the way we want.
Oh, lagi mo gani. Love you, amping good night.
Love you, good night. Never done a pear
Sige
tree.
na, palungan na.
Mabasing golden apple man na.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah.
Siya golden apple. No, wala man. Pwede na. Oh, palungan.
Balong na.
Kamawat is papa.
Fruit na?
Eh.
Mas kayo itong kwan mo ma.
Oh, dara oh. Oh, dara ka magulay.
Ayaw.
Nay naman po, matuong naman pa.
Ayaw.
Ayaw ka.